So I just built this PVC reptile enclosure. It's 4 feet long, 2 feet wide, and 3 feet high. This was kind of a budget build that I got ideas from Brad's Bioactive Builds. And so yeah, it's just PVC. I have 24 inch by 24 inch by quarter inch tempered glass on the front. Those are the sliding doors, and then I have the track, top and bottom. I got some of the lighting hooked up in there for now. I'm going to be putting a shelf in there, and I'll build it out a little bit. I'm not going to go too crazy with it. I'm trying to keep it, budget friendly. So this entire build, not including the lights, but just like those are just things I had around so I could put those together. The PVC and the glass was $50 a sheet from Home Depot online, shipped. And then the PVC I went to Home Depot and picked up, and it was $100 a sheet. And I got 2 sheets, and that left me with almost half a sheet extra at the end, which was great. The whole build took me about a day to just kind of figure out what I wanted, and it took me 4 hours to cut everything and to assemble everything. So it was pretty, it was just basically an afternoon project, which is great because I'm short on time. But this enclosure will be great for a lot of smaller monitors, or like younger iguana, cyclora, like young, just rearing things up. And yeah, so it's 4 foot by 2 foot wide by 3 feet tall. And I do still have to put in venting. I'm going to put venting in on the sides, and then maybe along the front a little bit. But that's all, guys. Hope you enjoy. And yeah, the whole project was about $300.